What's your plan for the boat?
Well, you will see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Paddle. It's really heavy.
It works great.
I think you have an advantage because you guys are
Smaller?
I do.
Maybe.
More aerodynamic. Oh, wait.
Should we test it out or should we wait? Just like put it in the water?
Test it out.
Yeah, let's just go put this one in.
Oh, that's good. That's perfect.
Bro, those screws are just sticking out. We're gonna have so much.
Yeah, I know. Pain equals gain.
What the heck? I think this joke has been used like 400 times, but I think we're screwed.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I know like everyone else has said this, but we're screwed.
Oh yeah.
Design.
50-50 that thing floats.
Yeah, that, well, it's
gonna
gonna
be so...
50-50 chance.
I don't know.
Probably will tip.
99-1, dude.
Okay. How about now, Ashlyn, huh? He's got a center.
Paddle sucks. Hey, come, there's a bar right in the way.
Scoot up.
This sucks.
You're like 100th of the way there.
It's still floating. I'm just glad it floats.
I think you made it like 10 feet.
Yeah.
I love that Mike is swimming faster than Keegan on his boat.
That is true. Back up. Kevin's tired. Come on. Go way off.
Balance!
You are free.
There it is.
Oh my gosh, wait a
You
second.
have to balance. Yeah.
Hold your core!
As long as he balances.
Ah, Blake.
Oh no.
This, Charlie, that's a piece of garbage. That's zero potential. It'll work. No.
Alright. And here.
Yeah, it is.
The backside is filling with water.
The tub is filling with water in the back. I'm sinking. Oh gosh, it's completely full of water.
God, turn around. We can still salvage it. Then turn around and go back, and I might be able to try it from the other side once we... God, turn around. It's not my duty. Well, it is my duty. It's not my pleasure. Here's the trophy.
Don't do it.
Oh, you did. Golden belt.
Yeah.
Golden boat.
Bad sportsmanship.
Hey, good job. I'll shake your hand. Even though you just booed us.
Oh!
I'll push you in the lake, Blake.
No, you won't.
No, I won't.
I think he will. So he'll jump in.
Probably.
I'll push Jet in the front.
Hey, I'll take you down.